Hello, this is Mike from eForms. Today, we will be going over the kiosk feature, why you would want this, how to set up the kiosk mode, and how to use it. First off, why would you want to use the eForms in a kiosk mode? It can be rather annoying to pass a computer back and forth to a customer. The kiosk mode enables the use of two computers so that the person who is doing the transfer does not need to stare over the shoulder of the buyer. Now let us dive into how to set up kiosk mode. There are some basics you will need. First off, the bound book will either need to be running on an SQL server or be located on a network drive. Second off, you will need at least two computers. One set up as the kiosk, i.e. customer facing, and the other store side, i.e. not customer facing. A low-powered Windows tablet would be perfectly acceptable for this application, but it does need to be a computer running Windows. On both computers, ensure that eForms Keeper is installed and set to the correct and up-to-date version of the ATF Form 4473. This is done via going to File, Options, eForms, E4473, Form Revision, May 2020. On the customer-facing computer, go to File, Options, eForms, E4473, Kiosk Mode. Then restart eForms Keeper. On doing this, the kiosk computer will go into a full screen mode. The non-customer facing computer will not need to be changed for this mode. Now let's see how the kiosk mode is used. On the seller's computer, the seller goes to Disposition, New Kiosk Disposition. Do the normal disposition steps, enter the serial number or numbers, enter the buyer's name and information, and make sure that the info entered is correct if it is already in the system. Click Save and then Yes. Ensure that the information on the next screen is correct, including the amount of firearms on the transfer and the serial numbers. When you are done here, click Next. It will give you a buyer kiosk code, which you will need very quickly. The customer will then enter their first name in the buyer kiosk code and fill out the 4473. When the customer is done with this, the seller will go to Disposition, Edit Disposition, Edit E4473, or via eForms, E4473, Edit E4473 Form, and fill out the remaining information and complete the transfer. This has been Mike with eForms, and you have an easy day.